Cutting one's teeth, a deep dive into a classic idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, cutting one's teeth. Have you ever wondered what it means and where it comes from? Well, you're in for a treat as we explore this phrase together. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this expression. The phrase, cutting one's teeth, is an idiom used to describe gaining experience in a particular area or activity for the first time. It's often used in the context of someone new to a field or task, learning the ropes, and building their skills through hands-on experience. For example, when someone says, "I cut my teeth in journalism as a local reporter," they mean they began their journalism career and gained initial experience in that position. Interestingly, this idiom has a literal origin. It refers to the growth process of an infant's teeth, which cut through the gums when they start to grow in. This is a natural part of a child's development and can be a painful but necessary process. Just as a baby must go through the discomfort of cutting teeth to grow and develop, individuals often go through challenges and learning experiences to gain expertise in a new area. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how to incorporate cutting one's teeth into our everyday language. Here are a few examples. She cut her teeth in digital marketing at a small tech startup before moving to a larger corporation. Many actors cut their teeth in off-Broadway plays before landing roles in big productions. I cut my teeth on classic literature, which sparked my passion for writing. These sentences highlight the idiom's versatility in describing the initial phase of professional or personal development. Understanding idioms like cutting one's teeth not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the cultural nuances of the English language. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this classic idiom for you. Whether you're cutting your teeth in English language learning or any other new endeavor, remember that every expert was once a beginner. Keep pushing forward, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful lessons. See you in the next video.